Hey YouTube, I hope you are I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video I'm going to show you today, but if not, you can just let me know. But what I want to do today is show you my I'd like to show you my fidget cube collection, because kind of a comparison, more like, actually. So I'm going to put this one first, because in the order I got them. Then I'm going to put this one right after it. That's when I got this one. Then I'm going to put this one right after it. And there we go. So this first fidget cube is actually, it's not a real one. And the way you can tell is by if the joystick kind of like pops up and down, and it like turns left to right, sort of. And also, if you push the ball does not click. And these gears here, they make a lot of sound when you turn them, but and then the knockoff ones, like I'm about to show you, when you push the buttons, that clicks, that clicks, that clicks, that one clicks, and this one clicks. So on the fake ones, all the buttons click. On the back there's a little stone part. Then there's this little turning knob on the side. Right there on the top, like I said, is the joystick. You can move it any direction. Okay, now I think I showed everything on this one. Let's see. Oh yeah, the switch it's kind of clicky, but it's not super clicky, but it's clicky enough to the point where you can click it. Like I said, these gears right here, they actually make a little clicking noise, as well as all the buttons right here. All 5 of these, they click. And this thing, you really gotta like take your thumb to push it, this little wheel. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Well, this one, excuse me, this one is actually the real cube right here. And the way you can tell is the joystick, if you have to lift it up to actually use it. And you can kind of hold it in your fingers and just kind of swivel it around, just kind of move it a little. It kind of squeaks a little, mine does. Let it drop back down in. If you want to pull it out, you just pull it up. Move it around. And actually the joystick on the real one is quite a bit bigger than the one on the fake ones. And this switch right here, very easy to flip. So I can just do it with just by tapping it. That's the nice thing about this one. And these buttons down here, on the real one, that's what this one is. A few of them are silent. That one clicks. That one clicks. That one clicks. And that one doesn't click. So the top first and the bottom one does not click. But the rest click. And this little wheel right here is very easy to turn. You just barely got to push it. It's very, very easy to turn. Just like these little gears right here. Now they're very easy to turn too. Now if you remember, on this one, the fake one, if you turn the gears, you hear that little clicking sound. The ball also rolls, and on the real fidget cube, the ball rolls, but if you push on it, wait till that stops. If you push on it, it clicks. I think you can tell it's the real one. And well, actually, the last one I'm about to show you, just don't be ready, because I think I show it. And even the stone on the back of this one is more like, it's more flat, like more squared into the bottom. So there's that one. Let's put these two right together, because those are the two we just shown. Now this one, this last one right here, it kind of looks like a cross between a real fidget cube and a fake fidget cube, because just like the fake one, the joystick kind of sticks up and you can just kind of move it around a little bit. See, just like on this one over here, same way. Just click it like that. And on the back, the switch, a little bit harder to flip, but this is probably the closest one to a real one that I've ever seen. And the buttons right here, they're rubbery, just like the real buttons. And they have that click to them. Let's do a little comparison here. Here's the sound of a click on the fake fidget cube. I'll put them all down here, that way you can hear it make a sound. So here's the buttons clicking on the fake fidget cube. Now here they are on the real fidget cube. Notice that clicks a lot smoother. And here they are on the fidget box. Yep, that's what this one's called. And see, the fidget box clicks almost sound like this. And the reason why I said this one's the closest to the real one is because the joystick isn't, but the wheel, yeah, you gotta kind of turn the wheel kind of hard too, but it turns. And the switch has that hard click, just like the fake one over here. And the ball does click, but if you take a listen to this click, that's not quite a click. And the gears do move. And the stone on the bottom of this one looks nearly identical to the stone on the fake one. Like I said, the stone on the real one is like more flattened into the cube. So yes, that's pretty much how all those are. And but yeah, this last one though is actually the most closest to uh, the real one, because the ball clicks, the first button's silent, second one clicks, third one clicks, fourth one clicks, and the fifth one is silent. And if we take a look at that on the real one, the first one is silent, second one clicks, third one clicks, fourth one clicks, and the fifth one is silent. And see, that's just how it is. Yeah, the real one's definitely the best one, though, for sure. But yeah, these two right here, the fidget box and the fidget cube are actually. The fidget box is actually the closest to the real one. So see if I put the real one right here and the fidget box right up next to it. They're exactly the same size. I put the fake one over here too. I mean, not fake, but knockoff one over here. Yep, see they're the exact same size because they can make a line. Except there are some differences. So while I'm putting these back away, I'll just say, hope you guys enjoyed this. And, yeah, say if you didn't, just know I will not do any more content like that. So just be sure to let me know, and I will. After I zip this up. Oops, I think I just opened it. Nope, I didn't. So I'll see you guys very soon.